It has saved us days in processing. It has been one of the most effective systems I've ever worked with in HR, and I've been in HR for 30 years plus now. Hello, I'm Kevin Porter, the HR manager at Fischer Fixings UK here in Wallingford in South Oxfordshire. Fischer Fixings is part of Fischer GmbH in Germany. They manufacture all sorts of fixings for the construction industry. We offer technical guidance and advice, and we have 60 staff here in Fischer, 30 on site in Wallingford, and we've got 30 technical and sales team out on the road. Looking at BrightHR, as I'm the only HR person in the business, we had a lot of paper-based processes, all very manual and time-consuming. It used to take as much as 2 to 3 days to do our payroll. So that was the challenge we faced, and bringing in BrightHR, and we did look at other systems as you would do. We decided to select this because it had a good range of products we could use to reduce our paperwork. And in doing so, we have cut our payroll down to a couple of hours. That has made some incredible timings. It's allowed our managers to focus on the business in hand. It's allowed our employees to do their job effectively. It's allowed our payroll to run without errors. It can offer anybody an effective service. It even has a legal team. It has all your policies online. You can keep everything online. The measurable improvements since we've been using BrightHR have included reducing the errors to practically zero. We have cut holiday recording down to almost minutes. That's all it is. If you're looking at an integrated HR system, and BrightHR is integrated, it has payroll, it has health and safety, it has recruitment, it has expenses, it has Wisdom, which is the employee health and wellbeing portal and benefits portal, then BrightHR has got to be the one for you. Now, it doesn't matter what size business you are. If you've got more than 5 employees, you're covered by the Employment Rights Bill, you're covered by the health and safety legislation. You need somebody like BrightHR to support you.